Welcome to Sellora tutorial video. In our previous video, we see what are display ads and how it help you to grow your brand, and in today's video, we will see how it works. Let's dive in. Open your web browser and navigate to seller.sellora.com. Log in using your registered email address or mobile number. Upon successful login, you will be automatically redirected to your Seller dashboard. On the Seller dashboard, locate the top navigation bar. Click the advertising button. Now click Start Advertising. Here, you will see two advertisements options: Sponsored Advertisements, Display Advertisements. Click on Display Advertisements to begin. You now have to select Ad Format. You have two options: Image Advertisements. Promote your product with an optional image to captivate your audience and enhance engagement. And Video Advertisements. Feature your product or brand with an eye-catching auto-playing video ad designed to captivate your audience instantly. Select Image Advertisement, add campaign name, select Budget manually, add daily budget. Set time frame. Start and end date of the campaign. Select your product. You can select one product at once. In Targeting section, select category of your product, add bid, then click Save. You can see now the automatic generated image ad. You can also upload the product image yourself. Just make sure to follow the image specifications provided. And you can also edit the product description. Click Submit Campaign. Your image display advertisement is submitted. Thanks for watching this image display ads tutorial. For more such videos, don't forget to subscribe our channel.